In this video, we'll be going over Matalas Violin 2. This is Violin 1, but it's Violin 2. So we're going to take it slow. Here we go. 1, 2, 1. Pizzicato. 2, 1. Next part will be arco. 1, 2, 1. Next part, down bow. 2, 1. Next part is gonna go ta 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 ta, not what's written. So it's gonna go 1, 2, 1. The next part is gonna go 1, 2, 1. Now after that, it's gonna go ready 1, 2, 1. Next part 1. Next part 1, 2. Staccato. Next part arco. And after that, it's going to be the ending. And we're going to pizzicato the first scale. So it's going to go 1, 2, 1. And bounce. And it's a bounce again. So it's. And you want to use the bottom part of the frog to get the best bounciness.